Hello, fashion lovers! As we enter the spring-summer 2025 season, it's time to say goodbye to some outdated trends. If you're still wearing pieces from past seasons, they might be making you look outdated. In this video, we'll go through which trends are out and what to wear instead to achieve a more modern, chic, and elegant look. Get ready to upgrade your style, and let's dive into the fashion mistakes to avoid in 2025. 1 is the oversized trend coming to an end. For the past few years, oversized clothing has been everywhere. Huge t-shirts, excessively baggy pants, and oversized blazers. However, in 2025, we are moving away from extreme oversized silhouettes. The focus is now on more balanced, well-tailored pieces that flatter your body without being too tight. What to wear instead? Loose fits are not completely gone, but they are becoming more structured and proportioned. Instead of extreme oversized looks, go for relaxed fit clothing that provides comfort without looking sloppy. Swap out boxy blazers for tailored blazers that enhance your figure while maintaining movement and comfort. 2. Say goodbye to loud logo fashion. Once a status symbol, large brand logos dominated fashion trends. However, in 2025, minimalism is taking over. Quiet luxury is now the new fashion statement, opting for high-quality pieces rather than flashy branding. What to wear instead? Replace logo-heavy outfits with simple, high-quality fabrics in neutral colors. Focus on craftsmanship, fabric, and fit rather than big brand names. 3. Moving away from neon colors, welcome earthy and pastel tones. Neon colors were once a major trend, but now natural tones, soft pastels, and neutral hues are taking the lead. What to wear instead? Lavender, sage green, beige, sand, and pastel blues are the must-have colors for this season. Stick to a soft and natural color palette when styling your outfits. 4. Ultra-high-waisted pants are fading out. For years, ultra-high-waisted pants were a staple, but now mid-rise and low-rise styles are making a comeback. What to wear instead? Instead of extreme high-rise pants, opt for mid-rise or subtly low-rise styles that create a more effortless look. Balance low-rise pants with slightly cropped but relaxed tops for a trendy, well-proportioned outfit. 5. Say goodbye to chunky platform shoes. Platform shoes have been a major trend, but in 2025, sleeker, more natural-looking footwear is in. What to wear instead? Swap bulky platforms for elegant low-heeled shoes, ballet flats, and minimalist sandals. Shoes made from natural materials like leather, suede, and linen will be both stylish and sustainable. 6. Oversized sunglasses are out. Minimalist frames are in the bigger, the better was the motto for sunglasses in past years. But now, sleek, face-flattering designs are taking over. What to wear instead? Instead of extra-large frames, go for thin, elegant, and well-structured sunglasses that match your face shape. Metal frames and retro-inspired designs are making a comeback. 7. Are micro bags over? Micro bags have been a stylish statement, but their lack of practicality is leading to the rise of functional yet chic handbags. What to wear instead? Instead of tiny handbags, go for medium-sized, structured bags that combine elegance with usability. Functional and stylish designs will dominate this season. Conclusion. So, these are the trends that are fading away in the spring-summer 2025 season, along with modern and stylish alternatives to wear instead. Which trends are you leaving behind this year? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fashion updates. See you in the next one.